Good morning, friends. Today I want to give some details of Vestige clarifying lotion. Now I will show the actual bottle how it looks like. So this is Assure clarifying lotion, cleanser and toner for normal skin. Now I shall discuss some points related to that product. I've been using face wash for so many days of different companies, the lotions, cleanser and toner, and I find it's worth, it's a value for money, this product. We shall discuss about this company. If you are interested, if you want to know in detail, you can watch my other videos and subscribe to my channel about the Vestige products. And today I'll be focusing mainly on only on this product. Vestige Assure Purifying Cleanser and Toner is mainly enriched with tea seed oil and rose water, as I have shown you. Just I am reading for you. So it gives you wonderful results. Nice, you feel very nice once you start using this product. A lot of dust which we come across when we go outside, it can remove very easily. Makeup, excess oil, all these things it will remove. Keeps your skin clean. Regular usage helps you get rid of so many skin problems like pimples, pigmentation, rashes, dryness, everything, aging effects. All these things you can prevent. This is mainly for normal skin people, and for those who are having a bit dry type of skin, they need to use moisturizer. Once they complete this usage after 5 to 10 minutes, they will get better results. Why you should use more cleanser and toner, all these things is the skin type of your face and neck are different from your other body parts. They're very sensitive, and mostly we will be judged by our face when we come across other people. So mostly they make some impression. It is a chance for us to give a good impression, better impression, right? It also helps you build your confidence levels, right? When you look radiant, healthy skin, lively, it helps you to boost your confidence, give positive impression to others also. So try to avoid soap unless it is very high TFM. TFM means total fatty matter. Even that also I don't suggest for face. It is better to use cleanser and toner because I have used all these things, and I find it's better. If you want more advancements, you can go for Skin Formula 9 moisturizer cleansing lotion. Those all products are there. So they are deep, means they work on 3 skin layers. This is superficial. For regular use, pricing is different for all those things. The Skin Formula 9 and Assure products. Just a peanut size quantity is enough. You apply on your face, neck, and wipe out with damp cotton. Apply with the circular motions. Rub it into your skin. Just 1 or 2 minutes is enough. You don't see much foam, anything. After you can wipe out with the tissue or cotton, or you can use cold water or warm water, and then you will feel and you will observe the freshness of your face, of your skin. That lasts for so many hours, at least 1 or 2 hours minimum, unless you go into dirt outside. It helps you also remove the makeup. Simple makeup, it will remove dust, everything. It will remove excess oil, makes you feel fresh. On an average, regularly 2 to 3 times is enough. If you want, you can use more also, more times. Normally, 2 to 3 times it will be enough sufficient for you, for any person. It helps to remove blackheads also because it expands the skin pores and removes all the dirt and blackheads. Reduces the anti-aging, works as an anti-aging because it tightens your skin. Regular usage tightens your skin also. You can avoid many skin problems by regular usage, pigmentation, and so many bacteria accumulate when the dirt is there, sweat and dirt. But once you remove all these things, you can avoid those problems. It's a very beautiful and simple solution for you. If you go to a doctor, consultation fee, the medicines, it involves a lot of money unnecessary. You need to go for harsh chemicals. If you use these products, they all Vestige company uses all very safe chemicals, only as needed. Quality is high standard. So many quality certificates are there. You can rest assured quality is very perfect. In fact, company offers a refund policy. No market product offers that. If you are not satisfied as per company refund policy, you can return the product also. That much confident company is about its product's quality. It comes in 250 ml bottle, plastic bottle, and MRP is shown as 315 rupees, Indian rupees. And as a distributor, once you join as a Vestige distributor, you will get at 275 rupees. And if you go to consistency offer, you will get additional benefits, and after all the benefits, if you calculate, it will be around like 220 200 rupees. So compared to any market product, it is very reasonable, very quality, best for value for your money. And definitely everyone should become a member of Vestige. You can contact me. I will mention the details in the description, how to join and what are the benefits you will get. I invite you, all of you, to be a part of my team also. For anyone who want to build a business or get the quality products, so I invite all of you to join me through Vestige for the Vestige business and quality product range. In the consistency offer, if you buy continuously 4 months, for 4 months 100 PV, it comes around 3000 to 3500 rupees 4 months. And 5th month you will get worth products of 2500 distributor price, not MRP, of your choice, any product of your choice. All these months also you can take whatever you want, only what is needed or what you feel is worth the product, beneficial for you. So that is a wonderful choice Vestige company provides for these distributors. If you bill between 2 to 12th of every month, you will come under consistency offer. You can avail this offer and you will be getting a discount on MRP and 10% worth of product to free, and cashback offer, and 5th month extra money of your product's choice you can buy. So many benefits. If you calculate, you are paying a lot less than even the market products. Vestige, for those who don't know about Vestige business, just I'm telling in brief. Everyone should be a part of direct selling industry because it is the next generation business. next 5 to 10 years everyone will see a lot of boom in this industry, because if you see the statistics of 2019, America being having 30 crore people, they are doing $35 billion business. $35 billion, it's a huge money in direct selling industry. China around 100 crores being population, they are doing around $23 billion industry, direct selling industry. India having 130 crore people, we are doing only around 2.4 billion business. So till now there are many fraud companies, people have been cheated and they don't have a positive impression. All these days there is no standard company, but once Vestige has come into this industry, it is redefining all the standards. Very high quality people, very efficient people are entering in the business. They know, those who know the potential, real value. I invite all of you to join as a part-time first. If you know better, if you want to grow speed, you can do full-time also. There is something for everyone in the direct selling industry and in this Vestige business. If you want a quality product, you will have best quality, protects your health and prevents further future any health issues. If you already have any health issues, you can recover very fast from those health issues. If you want money, there is a lot of money, lot of scope. Through this business, you as a person also develop a lot. You improve so many skills as a part of your business strategy only. A lot of trainings are provided in the company. Almost 99% are free. There is no training system in any other company like this. You will be benefited a lot. You will improve as a person. Your skills will develop. These skills help you to develop in your personal life also. Whatever you do, you will be a better person. And if you have in everything, you will get a lot of recognition. You will be noticed. You will become a celebrity by using these products and by pursuing this Vestige business. I invite all of you to join me to be a part of our Vestige business. We can grow together, we can help others achieve their dreams. There is car fund, travel fund. You can travel all over world, through Asia, through Europe. Every year 2 times company offers travel fund, and you can achieve your dream car. You can build your own house through this Vestige business. It's a wonderful franchisee business. Company has made all the investments without asking you even a penny, just becoming distributor. They're going to access huge network of business. So many thousands of branches are there. Vestige company branches all over India, across 7 countries. So once you become our team member, you are also able having yourself the potential to build a business, international products, help others. You can do as part-time or full-time. You can access world-class products which are not available in other companies. You can help others. You can achieve your dream life. You can grow very fast. No need to wait for your paycheck rise for 1 year. Given the COVID situation, many people are not even having a job security. In this situation, even IIT people, there are many people who are joining this industry and Vestige business. So definitely, I have seen bankers, big national level achievers, banking sector, financial sector, doctors, police, lawyers, government employees, NGOs. So many people are joining. So definitely there is something for everyone. Recognition, you'll get wonderful recognition. You'll earn white money. You're going to pay taxes. This is an Indian company, Indian multinational. Vestige is ranked number 30 in the direct selling industry in the world ranking. It has been for 16 years, average growth rate of 70% around. It is not like one more company which has come to cheat anyone. You don't need to worry, because we are not asking any money, extra money to deposit or invest. Whatever money you pay, you will get a product worth of it, and all are nearly equal to market product cost only. So no need to hesitate that we will be cheated anything. Definitely you should give it a try. I don't want to extend the video. It's already 15 minutes. So I thank all of you for watching until this time. I hope please subscribe to my channel and watch other videos for additional information. And I invite all of you to join Vestige Business to be a part of my team. Thank you, everyone.